Workspace Overview. Similar to other CAT tools, the Wordbee editor consists of two main sections. On the left is the source language panel, which displays the text to be translated. The system automatically segments the text into smaller, more manageable portions. On the right is the target language panel, where you will be inserting your translations or conducting your revisions. If enabled, the system will automatically fill in the translation matches from the TM. Each column has its own column options menu found by clicking on these arrows. These menus offer a set of customization options. Let's look at the Sort option. You can sort alphabetically or by text length. To sort alphabetically, simply click Sort A to Z. The editor will then reorder the text alphabetically. Using this configuration, segments starting with numbers or punctuation marks come before the letters. To remove the sort filtration, simply click on the upwards-facing arrow in the language bar. The Change option allows you to switch the language the column is currently showing. If your document is being translated into several languages, you can easily switch between them. Simply choose the Change option from the drop-down menu, and then choose the language you would like to see. Now you are able to compare translations without ever leaving the editor. To change back to the original text, simply select it from the menu. Using the Move option, you can rearrange the column order. If you prefer to have your source text on the right, simply choose To the Right and the columns will switch. This is especially helpful when translating to or from right to left languages such as Arabic. To switch back, repeat the process, but this time click to the left instead. We also have a link to the Column Manager. This will open the Layout Configuration menu. By default, only the source and target language columns are selected. You can add as many other columns as you require and change them as often as you like. To quickly remove a column from view, open the drop-down menu and click Remove. If you want to add a language panel to your view, you can do so by using the three dots to open the Column Management tool. Here, you can choose to add a language panel. You can add as many language panels as are available depending on the number of languages the document is being translated into. We can also access the same column manager from this menu. There is a difference between adding a language panel and adding a column. A panel is for the source or target language, where a column gives extra information for a specific language. Your system admin may also develop their own columns with information that may aid your translations. It may be source material links, extra definitions, or any other information they deem helpful. To add a language-specific column, simply select it from the list. Remember to choose the column under the specific language you wish to have. After selecting your desired column additions, click Save to return to the working space. The system automatically refreshes to show the newly selected columns. You can add or delete columns as often as you wish. You can easily change the width of the columns by simply dragging the resizing line that separates the column header bars. To undo this change and return to the equal spacing, just open the menu under the three dots and click Reset Column Sizes. The columns will automatically resize back to their original widths. All these features allow you to customize your working space to the needs of the job.